A fresh debate is growing in the Apple rumor community, not over a new iPhone 17 feature or design, but about a leaker attempting to profit off conjecture. Known Apple leaker Majin Buu, who has over 75,000 followers on X, previously Twitter, mostly by publishing rumors, is now attempting to sell iPhone 17 Max cases months before Apple officially launches the phone. The ready-to-ship cases are priced between $39.99 and $54.99 and come in 10 different designs, including transparent, tough, hybrid, and shield options. So what is the problem? There is no official design or measurements for the iPhone 17, thus these covers may not fit when it is launched. The risk is heightened by the leaker's web store's ambiguous details. It does not say whether the cases are pre-orders or how long shipment will take. Buyers are only assured that someone would contact them within 24 hours to confirm their purchase, which many consumers see as a red sign. While early accessory introductions based on leaks are not new, some casemakers use CAD files or prototypes to gain a head start. History demonstrates how harmful this can be. Manufacturers once mass-produced covers for a purported teardrop-shaped iPhone that never made it to market. Without official Apple data, these items are speculative, and buyers might easily lose money. Majin Buu says the cases are created by Leo, a firm with 21 years of expertise that can create personalized cases in 20 days. However, without Apple's approval, even the tiniest design change may render these cases unusable. This approach jeopardizes Majin Buu's credibility in addition to putting consumers' money at risk. Instead of releasing verifiable leaks or intelligent insights, they appear to be profiting off their followers, similar to other discredited personalities in the past, such as Lee Supro, who falsely claimed to be inside Apple Park during a lockdown. Trusted sources, such as Mark Gurman and Ming Chi Kuo, rely on validated study and insider knowledge, rather than repeated online rumors. The issue is not monetizing leaks, many people do it on blogs or YouTube, but rather advertising and selling speculative products with no assurance of truth. Pushing iPhone 17 cases before the phone is even available crosses a line. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.